This conference will now be recorded.
Yes. So we started a understanding of operators of the Python programming language, right? So let me open our Anaconda. Okay, let me launch our Jupyter Notebook. So desktop designs, and so we are in the Python operators, and okay. Yeah. Fine. So for as of now, we discuss about arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators, right? Now we are talking about the special operators in Python programming language. Excuse me. Yes, now we'll go for understanding the next operator from the Python programming language, which is the special operators. So here, the Python programming language is having some special operators. Those are exactly two operators are there. The first one is the membership operator. What it is? Membership operator. The second one is identity operator. Identity operator. So very simple thing, guys. One is the membership operator and second one is the identity operator. Let me talk about the membership operator. Let me talk about membership operator. What exactly the membership operator is doing now? It's a very simple thing. So now, for example, we have some data, okay, or else we have some data and we have some group of data. Okay, so we have some data and meanwhile we have some kind of group of data. See, when this is the data which is available in this particular group of data, then the membership operator will be go for checking that particular operation, which means membership operator is purely checking what? Checking the data is member of group of data. Okay, that is exactly the membership operator is doing. Member of group of data. Very simple thing, right? See, if it is for for performing this particular operation, we have the one keyword is there. The keyword is in keyword. Okay, with help of in keyword, it can performing the membership operator. Let me consider I have a data, which is my data is 12, and I have my another group of elements. It may be list, it may be tuple, it may be anything. So the list, it may contains the 34, 89, and for example 12 and the 45. And I have one more variable, that is my C variable, and it may be having the 100. So here I would like to go for checking the A in B. If it is available, then it can be returns the true. Otherwise, it can be returns the false. For example, if I check with the C in B, my C is not available, right, in my B group of elements, so that it was returns the false. Clear? Is it clear my point? Can you confirm me? Can you please confirm me? Did you got my point?
Clear.
So for same thing, to performing the same operation, we have one more thing is there, which is not in. It is quite opposite. It is quite opposite. If in case, if element is the member, then it can be returns the false. If element is not the member, then it can be returns the true. Okay, quite opposite. So can you please note this example? These two are the in and not in, both are the membership operators only. Both are membership operator. Can you please note this thing? I'm just waiting for you guys. I can give you some time. Can you please note it in your notes as well as in your Jupyter notebook? Once done, can you please message me? Or sorry, you can raise your voice. I can't see your messages. Okay.
Done, sir.
Mhm. Okay. I hope it's done right. If you want it, we can try for other examples. So I have a data. For example, SOC. Okay, I have one more data. It may be something like this. Okay, I just want to check it my SOC is there in the B group of elements or not. Then I just simply A in B, if it is available, it can be returns the true. Otherwise, it's not. Where it is available in this particular location, okay, but it's not returning the location, but it can be. It just go for checking. If it is available, it can be returns the true. If it is not available, it can be returns the false. Now we are talking about the one more operator from the special operator. It could be identity operator. Coming to this particular identity operator, what exactly the identity operator is doing? So we have the two data objects. Maybe you have two objects. So if two objects can be, it can be variable, it can be anything, guys. If two objects are pointing the same memory location or not. So that is the use of the identity operator. To performing this one, we can use the is operator or is keyword. Is it can be help you to check the memory locations of two variables. Okay, let me consider I have a data which is something like this. It could be 12 30 3 comma 4, and let me go with B also having the same data, 12 3 comma 4, and I just want to go for checking the A is B. Okay, but if I go with A equal to B, that absolutely true. So that was the difference between the equal to and is it will be go for checking the memory locations of A and B, but A equal to B, it could be go for checking the data of these particular variables. Okay, before that one, I just want to print the memory locations id of A, and let me go for print the memory location of B, id of B. If both memory locations are same, then it could be returns the true. If the both memory locations are different, it could be returns the false. Okay, so I'm commenting this one just for understanding purpose. I'm using the equal to. Now we can see here A memory location and B memory location both are different, so that it was returns the false. Let me go with one more example. Control C, sorry, Command C, Command V, and if I go with I have a data, the data it could be something like this: SOC SOFT ECH. Okay, and here I can go with SOC SOFT ECH. Okay, if I go with A equal to B, here the both memory locations are same. Careful observe here. Here also data of A and data of B is same. Here also data of A and data of B is also same. But here the memory locations are different. Here the memory locations are same, so that it was returns the true. It is not depending on the data. That's my pointing. That's what my vision. Okay, here just try to understand. I'm going for checking the memory locations of the variables. Okay, not the data in that particular variables. Got it? Got it or not?
No, sir.
No RS. No RS. I'm not getting your point. This is my A, this is my B, and this is the memory
Sir,
location of A, and this is memory location of B. Here the both memory locations are different. Here the both memory locations are different. So that is operator was returns the false. Okay. And let me consider here this is my A and this is my B, and this is my memory location of A and this is my memory location of B. Let me check this both memory locations are same or not. It's the same, so that it was returns the true. Now you got it my point? Now you got it. Silence is not the answer for guys. Just keep, I would accept silence. If you really got it, please let me know. Otherwise, I can explain different way, man.
yes, sir.
Renu Sri, can you hear me my voice?
Sir, could you explain again?
Sorry?
Could you explain again?
Okay, I can explain different example. Okay, see guys, here is operator can be returns the true, sometimes it can be returns the false. At what situations it can be returns the true? It can be returns the true when two objects, so here the memory location objects means it's a variables here. Okay, when two objects are same memory location. Okay, don't think data, forget about data. If the data is different 100%, the memory location is different only. Okay, sometimes if the data is also same but memory location can be different. Okay, so here the memory locations of the both objects are different or same. If you want to know it, then we can use the is operator. If both objects are same memory location, it can be returns the true. If both memory locations are different, then it can be returns the false. This was the final conclusion. Okay, but for understanding this one, I have a data. The data is here, it's a 12, and here the data is also 12 only. Okay, if I go with a is b, it can be written as the true. The reason is that here the memory locations are same example. I can give you the different data. For example, something like this. Okay, no, same data I can use it. What 12, 63, 64. Now we can execute now. Here it is false. Tell me what is the difference here? Here A and B is 12. Here A and B is also 12, 63, 64. That means same data. But here it was returns the true. Here it was returns the false. The reason is that here the memory locations are same. Here memory location of A and memory location of B are same. Okay, but when comes to the second example, the memory locations are different. If the memory locations are different, so that it was returns the false. Now at least did you got my point? Why
Yes,
the
sir.
memory
Got it.
locations are different? Why these memory locations are same? It's not our task actually. It's automatically assigned by the Python IDE. So we just need to check it whether the memory locations are same or different. That you can do with help of the is keyword. And we have another keyword is there that we can talk about it. Execute these two things. Just once it is done, please let me know. I would like to go with another example. What happened? Some sounds are Sandeep Vijay, sorry, from your end. It's a lot of sounds are getting. Yeah, once it is done, let's go with another keyword. It could be is now same is operator only, but it's guys. Please mute your systems. Vijay, sorry, Sandeep. Sandeep Vijay, please mute your system. If you want to talk, you just message me. I would like to see it. Now we have one more keyword, which is the is not. The combination of is and not, it's is not. So it is quite opposite for the previous one. If the both memory locations are different, it can be returns the true. If the both memory locations are different, it can be returns the true. If the both memory locations are same, it can be returns the false. So that's exactly the is not is doing. Okay, quite opposite for the is. That's it. So can you note it these two examples? Is it done? Of course you done, right? So how many people are having the knowledge of the membership operators? Number system conversions. How many people having the number system conversions concepts? Tell me. I'm just giving a task for you guys. So try to convert, try to understand yourself. Try to understand or try to convert decimal number system to, okay, binary number system. And meanwhile, we can try yourself binary number system to decimal. So this is the two things we should learn yourself. And you can Google it, or else you can whatever you want to do it, or you can go with your mathematician trainer, whatever it is. So before coming to tomorrow's session, what exactly you will do, okay, all of you, maybe some students are not from the mathematical background, so you can talk with your friends, or else you can go with your Google, YouTube, whatever it is, okay, you can try yourself. I can teach you, that's not a big deal, but I would like to give a chance for you to understand yourself. So you can try to convert a number system, decimal number system to binary number system in the meanwhile, and binary number system to a decimal number system. Okay, these two things, if and only if you know it, then I can talk with the bitwise operators. The reason is that bitwise operators are quite different and quite complicated also, and it was little tough task to understand. So bitwise operators. So if you want to understand bitwise operators, if you want to really understand the bitwise operators, what exactly these operators are doing, okay, so make sure that you should know about how to convert the decimal number system to binary number system and binary to decimal number system. Can you please put the message? Will you able to learn these two things? This is the only task for you guys for today. And you have half an hour time. This half an hour time you can Google it. You can try to understand. You can just open your notes and how to convert the decimal to binary number system and how to convert the binary number system to decimal. The two things you just run. You just understand yourself and come to me. Okay. And come to tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we'll talk about bitwise operators. If and only if you understand that one, bitwise operator is quite simple, and I can able to finish it within half an hour itself. Otherwise, it's go long. I can give some examples also. I mean, by the time of explanation bitwise operators, within I just give you 5 to 10 minutes of time. By the 5 to 10 minutes of time, you have to solve some examples. Like I can give some decimal number, and you just need to convert it into the binary number. I can give the binary number, you just need to convert into the decimal number. Okay. So that's we will do by tomorrow, and by tomorrow we will complete the all bitwise operators and all operators. And if anything we require in the basic level, then we can talk by tomorrow class itself, or else day after tomorrow. Okay. But from Monday onwards, we are going to start a new topic that could be the control statements, and it was very important, and it was makes you a lot of logicalness. Like you can, what we will do now, we can able to solve a lot of problems. Okay. Anyway, guys, please finish it, and please try to understand this decimal to binary and binary to decimal with your own way. That's the only one choice. You don't have any other choice. Okay. See you guys. Bye. Take care.